In today's Dr. C's video, we're talking all about a tip that can help reduce your anxiety, and it is belly breathing. So in my last Dr. C video, we talked about anxiety and what it does to your body. So today's going to be the first of a few videos where I go in depth about some tips that can help you reduce your anxiety. So when we get anxious or stressed out, our body has a system called the sympathetic nervous system that goes off. Sorry for the jargon, but when this system is going off, that's why our body reacts a certain way. That's to help us fight or run away from whatever emergency that's going on, because that's what it's signaling that anxiety or stress to be. The problem with this is that our body has a tough time differentiating the difference between, say, a burglar or being chased by a bear to like a work deadline, an argument with a friend. So our body has the same response to all of those things. So you can only imagine when we're in this state for a long period of time what it could do to our body. So what happens when we're in the stress state? This is why our heart rates go really fast, our heart beats really fast, our breathing becomes rapid and shallow, and our palms get sweaty. So in essence, what we need to do is we need to turn the system off. We need to turn on the parasympathetic nervous system on. That's our relaxed system. And we need to activate that. So why do we do that? Because it is absolutely impossible for us to be stressed out and relaxed at the same time. So I'm going to teach you a strategy that can help turn on this system, the relaxed system, and help you, in essence, almost put that shortcut onto that system to help you be relaxed. And to help us do this, we're going to use a technique called belly breathing, also known as diaphragmatic breathing. And so I'm going to use a plastic cup, or you can use a book, and one of these things can help you practice doing this. So in essence, what you want to do is you want to make sure that when you're inhaling or breathing in, you want your stomach to be going out. And when you're exhaling, letting that air or oxygen out, you want your belly to be going in. So that's why I want you to use either a plastic cup or a book to help you practice. So in essence, you want to see your hand move. And that's why I have the book or the cup, because it's going to be a little bit more visible for you to see this. So I'm going to turn sideways just to show you. But in essence, when you're breathing in, you want your stomach hand to go out. And when you're exhaling, you want your stomach hand to move in. So I'm going to do a demonstration now with either the book or the cup, just to show you how my stomach hand is moving up when I'm breathing in, and it's moving inwards or towards my body when I'm exhaling. Did you notice that this hand and the book rise as I take a breath in, and then it falls as I exhale and let the air out? Have you also noticed that this hand up here does not move at all? So we want to make sure that we are not chest breathing and breathing up here, which is what is known as anxious breathing. And you want to make sure that we're only using our diaphragm and this section of our body when we're taking a breath in and letting the air out. This is what's going to turn on our relaxation state as opposed to keeping on that stress state on. So the reason why I did this while I was laying down is because it's going to be the easiest way for you to initially learn how to master this technique. So first, try practicing at nighttime when you're already trying to wind down, and that's when you're in bed. So before you're going to sleep, try practicing this for 5 minutes and do this every single day until you master it. Once you no longer need the book or the cup to see it rising and falling, then try practicing while you're sitting in a chair, just like I did. Then from there, gradually move up to when you're actually standing and you're in certain situations that maybe you're more likely to get nervous. But only use these techniques and strategies after you've kind of mastered it, when you're laying in bed, when you're standing in the chair, once you're standing up, because it's going to be even more frustrating for you to try using a strategy like this in a stressful situation if you haven't fully mastered it. So I hope you appreciated and learned from this technique. Next week, we're going to be talking about distraction and what distraction is. Well, thank you so much for watching and following along. Don't forget that you can hit subscribe right now over here, and you can catch other Dr. C videos over here. And please always make sure that after every video that you're hitting a thumbs up, and leave a comment below telling me your thoughts on this video, as well as any feedback of what you'd like to see coming up next, and do you think this tip would work for you. I'll see you guys soon.